and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Hey guys, this is Spencer with Defense Training, and I wanted to go over the Warrior Nano, the Olight Warrior series. This is the Warrior Nano. Hey guys, make sure to go check out our sponsor for this video, which is our sister company, holstersbydefensetraining.com. So go over there and check out all the holsters they make. They have handgun holsters and magazine holsters available for sale. So make sure to go check them out because they do help make this video possible for us to put online and keep doing these videos. And this is one of their EDC lights. Pretty nifty little light. A few things I want to show you here. It comes with this little mounting bracket now, and it's they actually come with two pieces of tape. So one's already attached to it, and then it comes with an extra one. I guess you can mount it here, or if you want to move it, you can scrape it off and use the other one. But the way they show these mounting is basically kind of it would mount, let's see, it would mount like this on your wall. So let's say this is your wall, and then you would just put your light like that. So this holds it. It's not going anywhere, and then you can cut your light on beside your bed or whatever, and see or whatever you're doing. So this is a pretty cool little mount. I actually like this. I'm actually going to mount one of these next to my bed because I usually just leave mine laying next to my bed. Now I don't have the Nano. I have the Mini 2. This is the Mini 3, but I have the Mini 2. I've had this for years at this point. I actually made a custom little holster for it for my pocket that works really, really well. I like these clips that they come with here though. They're more beefy than the clips that came on the Mini 2, or at least they look more beefy. On the Mini 2 they bent real easy, and these don't bend that easy. I'm giving it a pretty good tug there, and it's not bending. So I think these clips are better than the ones that they had on the Warrior Mini 2. But I do like this. This is a pretty neat little thing. And also, if you don't know anything about them, they come with magnetic. So this is a magnetic charging base, and it clicks right on. And then, of course, this is USB. You just plug it into a USB port. You plug it to your laptop or whatever, and it will charge it. When you flip it on, if it needs charging, this turns red, and then it turns green when it's charged. So this is pretty cool as well. It has a couple of features here. So it has a tail button that has a magnet on it. So if you saw that, it's not just magnetized to that. It's an actual magnet. You can't see over here, but it's an actual magnet. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty strong magnet as well. So I like that aspect as well. This comes with an actual flat, pretty easy to get to. The old ones came, they had these little tips right here, 3-point tips here that protruded out. This is more flat, so your thumb can mash it a little bit easier. Not a whole lot, but a little bit easier. So you got the tail switch. You also have the side switch. Now the side switch is what's going to change everything. So this thing has several different modes. First mode, if you push and hold the side switch, I'm going to shine it straight up. It's not going to be bright. This is what we call moonlight. Push and hold, and it comes on, and this is 0.5 lumens. It is not very bright at all. I'm not even sure that you can see that. Yeah, there it is. This is really good for nighttime if you got to get up, maybe go get a drink of water, maybe go to the bathroom. That's what I use it for. It is, in fact, just bright enough where I can see. I'm groggy, but I can still see and get to the bathroom and use the bathroom and it not wake me up. It's not bright enough to wake me up. I can go in, take it back, cut it back off, and roll right back over and go to sleep. To where if it was 400 or 500 lumens, it might actually wake me up, and that's not what we want. Our cutting lights on in the house wake you up and stuff like that. So that works really well for that. And to change the brightness settings, so I'm going to cut it on now. It's on moonlight. Then I'm going to press this and hold it for the next brightness level, which would be low. So the low come on, and the low is 15 lumens. And this is supposed to be 60 lumens. And then that's going to be your 400 lumens. Now your 60 to 400 lumens, the 60 lumens would probably be more of like just general nighttime usage. You have that 60 lumens. You don't need a whole lot of light. You just need to see where you're going or whatever. That 60 lumens is great. You know, when your eyes aren't used to the dark, basically. So that will help you see. The 400 lumens is really good. Hiking and camping and stuff, that's pretty good with that. It's also the 400, and then you have what they call the half turbo mode, which is 600 lumens. That's what I call under the hood light during the day. Meaning, let's say I've worked on a lot of cars in my time, and I would always have to have a flashlight to see down in there. So that 400 to the 600 I'll show you in a second. This is bright enough to see outside in the daylight, at least under a hood. So I'm in the daylight, I'm trying to change spark plugs or whatever, or, you know, I dropped a bolt down. I need to see under that hood real well. This 400, and then to get to half turbo mode, you're just going to press and hold. So this is 600. So this is your half turbo mode, and this is bright enough as well to see during the daylight, especially under the hood of a car or stuff like that. And then you have the turbo mode. And then the turbo mode is going to be a double press, and this is going to be your turbo mode. And the turbo mode is 1200 lumens in this light. Also, you can, I believe it's 3 presses. Yep, 3 presses is your strobe, or the way I like it, I can press, long press on the tail. I can set it here. Now I have strobe to the tail light. So I press here, and I've got my 400 lumens. Here, and then if I want to strobe, I just push it the rest of the way in, and it will strobe. And that's where I set mine at, is the tail switch strobes. So if something happens, I can just grab it and I can just strobe and defend myself at that point. And I usually grab it with my left hand. I'm right-handed, so my firearm would be coming out with my right hand at that point. So for a smaller EDC, you see it's very small, that would fit down in the pocket. I would probably just carry this in my pocket. I probably wouldn't even clip it onto my pocket. In fact, I would take this piece. They got another piece that just clips on and makes this smoother. I would probably just take this off and shove it in my pocket. And then I can just reach all the way down in my pocket and grab it. It is that small, so it would work well for that. These things carry a 5-year manufacturer warranty, so if anything goes wrong with the Nano, you can hit them up and they will hook you up. They've got several things going on with the clip here. The clip will clip on your pocket for sure here. It will also act as a hat clip going backwards. See if you can see that. So it goes backwards onto the hat. So you can pop this on your hat while you're looking under the hood of a car, right? And it can help you do that, or if you're hiking and stuff like that, you can pop it up there, throw it on that 400 lumen high or medium, and you would be able to light your way, and that would work really well. It's not that heavy. It's pretty light, actually. So this would make a great small little EDC. If you're looking for a smaller one, this Warrior Nano might be the ticket. Alright guys, this is Spencer Defense Training. Stay safe, stay armed.
Hey guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you don't mind, and share it if you would. This really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, we offer different styles of training. So we offer concealed weapons classes here in Anderson, South Carolina. Also, we offer advanced training, and we offer church safety team training. So you can go check all that out at defensetraining.org. And then, of course, we make holsters. We have our online holster store, so if you go check that out, and that's holstersbydefensetraining.com, and all these links are below. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.